Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to change our email on Pinterest. If you've been looking for a way to do that, well, this video is for you. Let's get started. Now if you want to change your email on Pinterest, as the email address, all you have to do is, after logging into your Pinterest account using your credentials, next thing you do is at the top right corner here, you'll see your profile. Click on your profile. And then you will see view profile, the option for view profile over here, so click on it. And next thing, you're going to see the number of people following, the username, and share option and edit profile, so click on the edit profile option. And then the left hand side, under the profile option, we have some other options, menus under it. So you click on profile, visibility, no, just joking, click on account management, and then you can see your email, which is private. So you can easily just change it to the one you want. Let's see, I want to change it to something like this. Should we use this? Okay, let's use something else. Anyway, you put in the new email address, and then, sorry about that. You put in the new email address at gmail.com. This doesn't exist, by the way. After putting in the new email address, you then click on save. And it's as simple as that. But you can see mine is invalid. So once you do that, you follow the on-screen prompt and you're good to go. So let's actually change it. Yes, let's actually change it using something else. Let's see if we can use a new email address. Let's use a new email address. Okay. So let's change it. Oops. It's correct. It is correct. We should be able to change it like that. Let's see what's wrong. Because I put the wrong one the first time. So let's save it. Next, you need to verify your email address once you've put in the email address. So it says this email verification code will be sent to your email. So let's see the 6-digit email verification code. So it should, let me quickly check. If you've connected yours to if you have a Gmail on you can actually check it on your PC. But I just prefer checking on my phone. So, and if you didn't get the code, you can actually ask for them to send you the code. So, once you get the code, you're going to input it. And once you input it, I believe the email is verified and you're good to go. So far, I haven't gotten the email from them. Let's see. It didn't take that long. Okay, I've gotten it now. So let's look at our new. Okay, that is 077317. 077317. Okay, let's go. Then you click on enter. And that's it. Your email address has been updated. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change email address on Pinterest. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.